हेलो गाइस, मैं त्रिभुवन बरेट आप लोगों के लिए लाया हूँ बेहतरीन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। ठीक है गाइस, आज हम लोग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज क्यों सीखते हैं और क्यों हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट्स है, मैं आज के चैप्टर में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट इंग्लिश। ठीक है, मैं आज आप लोगों को लगभग 10 टिप्स देने वाला हूँ जो कि आपकी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकता है ना। मेरे TCL स्पोकन इंग्लिश शिवरी नारायण ब्रांच की सभी बच्चे स्पेशल ये वीडियो को देखें ताकि आप लोगों को एंकरिंग कैसे करना है, स्टेज फोबिया कैसे हटाना है, हमारी लाइफ में इंग्लिश इन्फ्लुएंस्ड कैसे बनाना है, ये बहुत काम आएगी। ये वीडियो ज़रूर देखें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर ज़रूर करें। गाइस, मैं आप लोगों को आज बताने वाला हूँ कि टॉप टिप्स जो कि इम्प्रूव कर सकता है आपकी इंग्लिश को। 10 टॉप टिप्स फॉर इम्प्रूविंग योर स्पोकन इंग्लिश। यहाँ पर हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि गाइस, practicing speaking is one of the most fun, rewarding parts of learning English. When you can speak even a little English, there are loads of ways to improve your skill quickly while having tons of fun. Here are 10 top tips for improving your spoken English and having a great times while you do it. Speak, speak, speak. मैंने यहाँ पर तीन वर्ड लिख रखा है, मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। स्पीक, स्पीक, स्पीक लिखा है। बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड स्पीक एज ऑफन एज पॉसिबल टू एज many people as you possible can. Do not be shy to make mistake. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciations and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill like learning a musical instruments or new sports. The only way you can get good is to actually do it. Even if you wanna get many vocabularies, then you just can contact up our TCL Spoken English. How this can be very useful technology afford you also, as like through up your smartphone can be powerful tools for learning English language. Use it to record yourself speaking, then listen back to see how your English sound to other people's. Make the most of all your favorite productivity apps to organize your practice time and make a note of all the new words you learn. जैसे हम लोग बात करते हैं लिसन की, तो गाइस आप अपने लिसन को कैसे बेहतरीन बना सकते हो, तो कहते हैं अच्छे सुनने वाले ही अच्छे बोलते हैं। तो पहले हम देखेंगे कि लिसन टू न्यूज़ बुलेटिन एंड सॉन्ग्स इन इंग्लिश टू लिसन to the pronunciations of words. You can also learn new words and expression this way. The more you listen, the more you learn. Try copying what you hear to practice your pronunciations and learn which word in a sentences are stressed. Guys, यहाँ पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं read out loud means even if you just reading up loudly, then it will becomes with the visualizations and your listening power will be increased and you can able to speak very well English language. So that's why I'm telling you, read the newspaper or a magazine out to yourself. You could even find a script for your favorite TV show and act it out. This is a great way to practice pronunciation because you only need to concentrate on making sure you English sounds great and don't need to worry about sentence structure or grammar. Learn a new word every day. Even if you wanna increase up your English, then firstly you have to learn every day the new words. In T-Shell Spoken English, Sivri Narayan always afford you the new words to learn and make fluence of your English. Choose a word you would like to work on and use practice it in different sentences. Use the word until you have learnt it and keep using it regularly. Watch film. Watch movies in English and pay attention to new vocabulary and pronunciation. Imitate the actors and have fun with it. Make friends. Make friends with English speakers or other learning to speak English and compare notes. Talk about things that you have learned and exchange ideas. Do interesting activities in English. Take a cooking course in English or join a book club. Anything you enjoy doing makes you do it and communicate it in English. Using English to talk about things you enjoy will make practicing a positive experience. Have a debates. Guys, even if you wanna debates in English, this will also plus point for you. Debates all the topics that interest you with friends in English. Try to use as much vocabulary as you can to get your point across and listen to the other arguments carefully so you can argue against them effectively. Use a dictionary. Online dictionaries often have audio examples so you can check your pronunciations, and there are lots of great dictionary apps that you can take everywhere with you on your smartphones. Makes you not to become too reliant on these tools. Even if you don't satisfy, then you contact TCL Spoken English. There you can got of word banks, lot of collective words you can use from the teacher Spoken English Shuri Narayan. You can contact their one teacher will assist you to learn English language and increase up your vocabs. To have a go at saying the words first, then check afterward to see if you were right. So with all these practice tips to choose from, which one are you going to try first? With our live online teachers, we will guide and support you to achieve your goals. To be fluent in English, to learn a new language is never too late. Start your 14 days trial. Contact TCL Spoken English, Thana Road, Shivri Narayan. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe our channel and share also.